Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the keyboard and mouse stopped working when the USB flash drive is plugged in, then please watch this video. Now here's one thing. Flash drives are a very dangerous set of equipment because they can mimic a lot of things. So here's my personal advice. Do not just connect any flash drive to your system without knowing what the background of that drive is. So there are drives which are used to hack your system, and they can mimic keyboards, and they will actually mimic the keyboard input on your system. It is a fact. So be very sure about it. Try plugging a different USB drive to know whether the issue is with the system or that specific flash drive, and also try that flash drive with some other system, but be careful. Okay, and check if the issue is with the flash drive or not. And once you're sure about it, the next solution will be to search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now scroll down and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right click on USB root hub and then select properties. Go to the power management tab and uncheck this box. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Okay, now right click on it and update drivers. So do all both of these steps for all of the USB root hub drivers. I showed it for one, but do it for all of them, and this will solve the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.